The Prevention of Custodial Torture Bill 2024, Shri Manoj Kumar Jha, to move for a leave in introduce the bill.
Yeah. Ma'am, I seek to move for your leave to introduce the Prevention of Custodial Torture Bill 2024 in the true spirit of the Indian Constitution under Article 21 for right to life and personal liberty.
The question is that leave to be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor will please say aye.
Aye.
Those against will please say no. Please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Shri Manoj Kumar Jha.
Yeah. And I thought, ma'am, will read the bill first. It pertains to the Constitution Amendment Bill 2024, particularly amendment of Article 124 and 216, whereby I propose the bill for the representation of SCs, STs, and OBCs in higher judiciary, which remains unrepresented so far. Oh, I introduce the bill.
Yes, जी.
Don't confuse. समझ नहीं आ रहा था.
The Constitution's Amendment Bill 2024, Amendment of Article 124 and 2160. Shri Manoj Kumar Jha, to move for leave.
Thank you, ma'am. I preempted. I'm sorry for that.
Due to the introduction to the bill.
Yeah. It is pertaining to amendment of Article 124 and 216 for the greater representation, in fact, representation of SCs, STs, OBCs in the higher judiciary. Thank you very much, ma'am. I beg to seek your leave to move the bill.
Thank you. The question is that leave be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor will please say aye.
Aye.
Those against will please say no. I think ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it.
I introduce the bill, ma'am.
The Right to Free Cancer Treatment Bill 2024. Shri Sanjay Singh, to move for leave to introduce the bill. Not present. The Constitution's Amendment Bill 2024, insertion of new articles 48B and 51B. Dr. Abhijit Madhavra Gopchade.
Thank you, Chairman,
Madhavra
Madam.
Gopchade, to move for leave to introduce the bill.
Thank you, Chairman, ma'am. आपकी अनुमति से
With your permission, the traditional fisheries expansion of the sector, 48B, and compulsory voting should be there, and 51B relates to that. I seek for leave to introduce the Constitution Bill 2024, therefore.
The question is that leave to be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Dr. Ajit Madhavra Gopchade.
Respected Madam, thank you. I introduce the bill.
The Public Work Quality Assurance and Transparency Bill 2024. Dr. Ajit Madhavra Gopchade, to move for leave to introduce the bill.
Thank you, Chairman, ma'am. केंद्रीय सरकार द्वारा
Ma'am, the central government should have a monitoring entity and objective works should be done with transparency, and quality should be also assured, and to provide for